Good morning and welcome to day 1 of the 21-day meditation challenge. I'm Ruiz and I am a certified Masters of Wisdom and Meditation teacher, certified by David G. And I wanted to kick this off to start 2022 on the right note, on a high vibration, because as we all know, it's already speeding forward and it's going to be halfway over before we know it. So I wanted to share with you, like, if you don't already have a meditation practice, how to start one, how to get the momentum going by including it in your everyday routine. What I like to do is, early in the morning, you rise, pee, meditate. So it's just part of your morning routine before you even get out of your room, get out of your bed. And that way, it takes away that excuse of I don't have time, because you brush your teeth in the morning, right? So just include the meditation as part of your morning practice, your morning routine, and you'll have no troubles getting it going. So that's the best way to get your meditation routine started. And so, another thing that keeps people from doing it is they don't know how to get comfortable. So what I like to do is basically just, if you're one of those people who has trouble getting up in the morning, maybe don't lay down while you meditate. So if you are one of those people, you can just sit up at the head of your bed, get some pillows, make yourself really comfortable. Comfort is queen. That's the number one, thing I can tell you about meditation and making it stick is part of your daily routine. It's just make sure you're comfortable or you're not going to enjoy it. You're not going to want to come back to it. So definitely, prop yourself up, get some pillows. You can have a blanket, whatever works for you. And that way, you're comfortable. And so today I wanted to share with you one of the first things I learned as a meditation teacher and as a practice too, to kind of help me, establish the present moment, because that's the most powerful moment that you ever have is now. And how do you get there? Well, the quickest way for me is meditation in the breath. So it's the moment between the breath. So that's who you really are. That's where you are the most powerful, is that gap. So welcome to everyone who's joined. Thank you for joining me. Say hi. I'm so happy to see you. And welcome to day 1. So I want to kick this off. We're going to start with, it's called 444 breathing, which is basically 16 seconds of bliss, as David G likes to call it. So what you're doing is you're going to close your eyes and get comfortable and close your eyes. You can also do this with your eyes open if that's hard for you to do. Maybe if you're driving, don't close your eyes. But if you're at work or whatever, you can do this anywhere. And so you want to when you're breathing in, you're going to be counting to 4, and you're going to witness and watch your breath as it comes into your body. So it's going to go in through your nose, down the back of your throat, and through your lungs, and down into your belly. And you're going to hold it in your belly for another 4 seconds. And then you're going to witness that and just watch it. And then as you exhale, you're going to witness it. It's going to come back up from your belly and in through your lungs and out through your throat, and then out through your nose again. And then you're going to witness it and watch it as it dissipates into the ether, and you're going to watch that for 4 seconds. So it's 4 coming in, hold in your belly, 4 coming out, and then holding it out for 4. And you're just witnessing and watching that as part of the process. So that's kind of your mind vehicle. So you're going to be keeping yourself present in the moment as the breath comes in and out of you. So I'm gonna walk you through this for the first part. I'll guide you through, and I'm gonna set a timer. We're gonna do this for 5 minutes. Okay, that's all we've got to do. All right. So if you can do this, then it's a great kind of distractor if things are going wrong, if shit's hitting the fan, if you're stressed out, take a pattern interrupt and just say, okay. And so just do this breathing. And, you know, like I said, eyes closed, eyes open, either way, you can do this. You can't do it wrong. So let's just get started, okay? So everybody close your eyes if you can. Okay, and just take a long, slow, deep breath in. Witness and watch it to the count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Watch it as it goes into your belly and hold it in your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exhale. 2, 3, 4. Witness and watch it as it exhales out of your nose and hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I'm going to set a timer and you can do this at your own pace. Okay? Okay. You can gently open your eyes if they were closed. Let me know how that was for you. If that calmed you down, if that helped you at all. Let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know in the comments. You can send me a message. And yeah, so that was day 1. I look forward to sharing some more meditation tips with you tomorrow. And yeah, have a blessed, beautiful, stress-free day, okay? All right, namaste. Bye.